want a juice box, a juicy juice box, not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box.
They want a juice box, they wanna have a sip. They saying you rock, but I ain't having it. I've heard it all before, no this ain't nothing new. You say what's up with me, I say what's up with you. I hear you begging what? With your puppy dog eyes, you better step it up. You better recognize, you wanna quench your thirst, you better get in line. I saw that juice box first.